These bouquets of tiny little yellow flowers are from a plant called lady's mantle. It can often be found growing in grassland, roadside verges, and even on the slopes of cliffs. Earlier on in the year, these flower heads are full of bright yellow little flowers. However, this is later on in the year, and a lot of them are starting to turn to seed. The leaves are a rounded star sort of shape with ridges which run down to the centre. The ridges and valleys which run around the leaf help channel water towards the middle, and after a heavy downpour, it accumulates in the middle in a ball thanks to the leaf being hydrophobic. The ball of water that accumulates in the middle has led to this plant being referred to as the jewel of the Alps in some regions. The name lady's mantle comes from the fact that the leaves of this plant resemble the mantle or cloak that the Virgin Mary wore on her journey to Bethlehem. An interesting fact about this plant is it's capable of asexual reproduction, also known as apomixis. This means that this plant does not need another male or female version of this plant to reproduce. It can produce genetically identical seeds. This is a magnificent plant for insects in the UK, as deer and rabbits tend to leave it alone, so in an area where you want to attract a lot of pollinators or offer shelter to insects, this could be the choice for you. Lady's mantle is edible and you can eat the younger leaves, however the older leaves tend to be a bit bitter and tough. As we've talked about before, people believe that God left signs of what plants would do in the plant itself, and thanks to this plant's association with the Virgin Mary, it's had many uses throughout history for different problems relating to women's health. Traditionally, this plant was used to treat things like heavy, irregular or painful periods, and also to strengthen the uterus in late pregnancy. So that's lady's mantle, a quaint little beautiful wildflower from the UK. If you like this video, make sure you give it a like, share the love below, and also follow along if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day.